Hey, how you guys doing? This is Pastor Billy, aka Be Faithful.
This ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool.
Ah, it's so hot.
Boss don't mind sometimes
Ooh,
if
it's Saturday afternoon. I'm washing my car. I'm doing car wash. Do you listen to that song, Car Wash? Isn't that nice? Dirty outside. You know, very important to wash outside, but actually inside is so messy and dirty. There are a lot of sands and stuff. Same as that. It's very important to wash ourselves outside, but it's very important to wash inside our heart with the Word of God. Word of God is that important. It can wash ourselves. Remember, we have to wash outside, we have to wash inside, we have to wash outside, we have to wash our heart. In the name of Jesus, peace out.